At the Second Western International Disaster Prevention, Disaster Mitigation and Emergency Rescue Expo held in Chongqing, Changan Hunter transformed into a special vehicle for the exhibition and became a small rescue vehicle, a drone search and rescue command vehicle. Small rescue vehicle. A small rescue vehicle is determined by the size of the Changan Hunter. There is no size advantage compared to larger rescue vehicles, but Sparrow is small and has all the features. It is modified based on Changan Hunter's extended-range new energy pickup chassis and equipped with a closed special box and rescue equipment. For example, the pickup chassis features a lightweight rear integrated welded rear box. Also suitable for toolboxes, rescue vehicle signs, road cones, shutter doors or lift gates, engineering lights, etc. Equipped with all of the above equipment is standard. Optional configurations are more segmented and professional, such as insulated telescopic ladders, wire cranes, lifting platforms, sliding rail equipment trays and other special rescue equipment that can be customized according to customer requirements, including exterior paint and logo. This car seems to be well suited for some simple rescue work. According to its positioning, it is mainly suitable for engineering operations, emergency rescue and other works in water, electricity, heating, municipal network management, highways, railways, communications and other enterprises and institutions. Combined with the pickup's ability to adapt to various road conditions, its advantages in rescue operations are obvious. UAV Search and Rescue Command Vehicle. From an industry perspective, this is the first extended-range UAV search and rescue command vehicle in China. It is also the only UAV search and rescue command vehicle in China that can provide long-term power supply to the dog cabin and drone. In terms of hardware, the vehicle is primarily equipped with a reconnaissance drone and connected drone that can adapt to different combat application scenarios, and secondly, there is a 31.18-degree lithium battery and a 3.3-degree battery in the rear compartment. It is worth noting that it can perform reconnaissance and inspection in a 7-kilometer radius area, and also perform functions such as one-touch inspection and vehicle tracking. It also has lighting and shouting functions at an altitude of 1,000 meters, which is very practical. The crew cabin seats 4 people and is equipped with a multi-mode autonomous control and monitoring system. In cooperation with the drone, it can understand the situation of the rescue scene in real time, and also supports long-distance image transmission. It is also equipped with a WeChat communication system, which makes communication very easy and helps complete the overall search and rescue command. The rear cabin is also equipped with 2 multifunctional independent kennels with disinfection, lighting, temperature detection and adjustment functions. In addition, the entire vehicle is designed with independent, multifunctional storage compartments and a towing system, and can be equipped with a towed police dog patrol cabin or a cabin for storing other equipment, depending on the needs. The body of the Changan Hunter UAV Search and Rescue Command Vehicle is also relatively compact. In addition, the off-road chassis can also adapt to different road conditions or landscapes, such as narrow roads and mountain forests.